Welcome to Etns Solutions. Founded and incorporated in India and the UAE in 2016, is a leading provider of innovative IT solutions transforming businesses through technology. Inventory mismanagement leads to lost sales, overstocking, manual errors, and missed opportunities. For growing businesses, this isn't just a nuisance, it's a risk. That's why we built the Inventory Management Portal, to give you real-time control and clarity across all inventory operations. Sales teams often work without live inventory updates, leading to overselling or missed orders when stock runs out unexpectedly. Our sales module is synced in real time with inventory levels. Here in Sales section, by clicking on Sale Entry, you can add new sale data with bill number and other details of bill. Here in this section, sales history can be checked by quantity, expiry date, and other sales details of the product. In case printer is unavailable, you can also send the e-bill through the WhatsApp, SMS, or email. And you can also print the bill. You can also add some instant discount over here. By selecting the batch number, you can check the expiry, pack, quantity details of the following product. Managing supplier purchases manually creates delays, confusion, and inconsistent restocking. With our purchase module, you can generate purchase orders, track deliveries, and link suppliers directly to product entries. Here in Purchase section, by clicking on Purchase Entry button, you can add new purchase details. You can upload your purchase details file over here to avoid the delay of manual entry. In Purchase History section, you can track all your past purchase data seamlessly. Billing total can be seen here with MRP value and discount and invoice value. Businesses often lose track of inventory adjustments, whether due to returns, damages, or stock corrections. Our Modifications section allows you to document every stock adjustment, whether it's manual, returned, or damaged. Here in Modifications section, there are two options for the modification. One is Sales Modification. Another is Purchase Modification. Here we can search a bill by particular bill number or mobile number. Once we search by mobile number, below it will show all the bills registered under that particular mobile number. You can take action according to the bill. Here in Purchase Modify section, you can search the purchase bill by entry number of a particular bill. Then, all purchase history can be seen over here. You can here update your purchase data on this option, then click on Update to update the data of purchase. Without reports, businesses can't forecast demand, manage stock levels efficiently, or identify trends. Here we can get all the reports: sale, gross profit, stock status. In Sale Report, we can get all the sales data from a particular date range, day-wise. Once clicking on a particular date, it will show detailed sales in that particular date, showing all the sales on a particular date. Here in Gross Profit section, you can check the gross profit and percentage of profit by searching a particular date in this section. You can also download the following data over here. Most systems don't offer a clear picture of daily or cumulative sales, making planning and review difficult. In Sales Summary section, you will get all your sales summary by searching the particular date of which you want to see the data, which you can see here. You can also download the sales summary too. Here in Purchase Summary section, you can also check the purchase summary of a particular date and download the data here. That is all about Etns Smart Inventory Management application. If you find it interesting, contact us to know more. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for latest updates. You can call or WhatsApp us on following number. Visit our website to know more about us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.